What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA SAGA.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you the latest news directly related to this situation, and I will show you what should we expect next in upcoming days. So, first of all, let me show you that we don't have much news directly related to MMTLP. As you can see, the majority of these news are about 1 week old, and we have just two more recent ones that were published 11 hours ago and about 10 hours ago on Investor Place. And these news are quite interesting. Right here you can find the Backholder's Guide to Metamaterials Stock, and it is some kind of summary, and this is just a summary of some kind of summary. This means you cannot find 100% information needed in this article, but you will have the bigger picture of the entire situation. The second news is much more specific, and it asks a question about the stocks. Where will the next bridge hydrocarbon stocks be distributed through the existing shareholders of Metamaterials preferred shares? And right now, none of the existing MMTLP shareholders received the next bridge hydrocarbon stocks, and this situation worries a lot of investors. So let me show you the news that we might find on the internet. First of all, let me show you the John Bird Twitter account. For those of you who don't know, he's a former CEO of Torchlight Energy, and Torchlight Energy is the company, the predecessor of NextBridge hydrocarbon stock that was traded publicly back in the days when Metamaterials merged with TRCH to become public. So, and let me show you what Mr. John Bird wrote. 12 hours ago he posted this. Wow, what an excellent job. Everyone click on the just paste link below. And let me show you that here is the original tweet. MMTLP amazing farm. Thursday AM, if we have no positive change in our situation, I will send the following text to 5 journalists who raise awareness and seek fairness in the markets. I encourage you to do the same and send the text to 5 journalists too. And here's the link, and the link leads us to this article, MMTLP story, and it is basically very important information, and it is a very structured and very well written story. I have to say that this work is perfectly done, and you have all the information needed in order to know what is the problem, what is the current problem of MMTLP and FINRA SAGA. And if you know any journalists, please send them this link in order to make the tsunami. And this will lead to major changes in FINRA and SEC rules. So, and let me show you another Twitter account. We are on Starboard Bound, and he posted this. 12 days ago, FINRA froze the assets of 65,000 people with no explanation to conceal the counterfeit shares. Scandal with MMTLP. And I have to say, I cannot find any information from authorities that might describe the current situation and that might explain to people what should they expect next and what should they do. And this is really important part, that we have lack of information, completely vacuum in this information field directly related to MMTLP and the FINRA, potential FINRA fraud. On top of this news, let me show you quite interesting details that a lot of brokerages cannot do anything with the inquiries of MMTLP shareholders, for now former MMTLP shareholders, in order to give them the next bridge hydrocarbon stocks. And let me show you that Jerk Stone wrote 6 hours ago, and let me quote it for you. Today's daily email with TD Ameritrade. So, QSIP has went from MMTLP to next bridge hydrocarbons to nothing, and has circled back to parent company MMTLP today. Thanks for having you clients' best interest in mind, TD. So you've stolen my funds, and my QSIP is now MMAT worth $0. And right here you can see the screenshot, and it is quite interesting, all of these changes in QCIP number, and right now I have to say that not so many brokerages know what to do with this situation. Definitely they have to have official data from the authorities, and they don't have it, and definitely it leads to much higher fears. So, and let me show you another quite interesting detail. Jerkstone also wrote 8 hours ago, pursuant to FINRA Rule 6440A3, if halt is not extended and 10 business days have passed, MMTLP shall be reinstated for trading. Therefore, if notice of an extension is not received, I fully expect trading to commence on December 26th. And definitely for now, time is on our side, and the longer we won't see any information from officials, the more rules they will violate. And this will lead to successful lawsuits that might be filed in upcoming days. So, and let me show you another tweet from John Burda. 13 hours ago, he posted this: Day 2 of drive done and back in the saddle. So the chill notice from DTCC. Very interesting. Met with share intel today. They can be of great help, I believe. Reconvene again tomorrow with attorneys. And right here you can see the chill notice from DTCC. And what is this chill notice about? We are on Investopedia, and let me quote you this. What is a chill? A chill is when the depository trust company places one or more restrictions on transactions regarding a given security. A chill can be placed when there is a problem of issue with the security's issuer, or the securities transfer agent. Chill restrictions are intended to limit the potential for problems within the financial marketplace and can be placed on a security for various reasons. And what does it mean for us? Let me quote you the bird lady. She wrote, I'm excited. DTCC chill notice means the shares can't move anywhere until the situation of all the extra shares are resolved. And definitely it is, in my opinion, one of the biggest steps in this saga, and because of this we might see some new information in upcoming days, and this information might give us a next step to fair market play, and I have to say that it is really important in my opinion. So I think that's it for now. I don't have any news that I can share with you. That's why just subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button if you like my video and if you want to see more information in upcoming days. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder.